Greetings to everyone wherever you are. I am Bishara Wilson. I'm a doctor of acupuncture and Chinese medicine, the owner of Brooklyn based New York Sports Acupuncture, where I've been in private practice there since 2003. Um, with my practice is acupuncture, herbal medicine, nutrition, massage, and other modalities that we use there to get people back to their normal activity and feeling better again. So today we're here to talk about herbs as the forgotten food. Herbs are like a missing link in our diets. Every day, a lot of us we eat a lot of the same type of foods: grains, fruits, vegetables, different types of beans, meats, so on and so forth. And those things can be high in nutrition, but the herbs provide nutrients from the earth that we wouldn't normally get from our regular diet. The herbs are, you're talking about the roots of the plant, the stems of the plant, the flowers, the rinds, the seeds, the leaves, the twigs, the bark, all of these parts of the plants provide certain nutrients that we need for our basic body function, for our organs, and for our blood, for our energy. Help us to clean out in terms of helping all of our bodies just to work better in general. Anywhere you go in the world, like most folks on here, they're probably from the have heritage in the South or in the islands or in Africa or even further out. And before there was all the medication and things like that, which provide, they do have their purpose. We use herbs as our food. Now, professionally, I prescribe herbs to my patients using, after an evaluation, looking at someone's signs and symptoms. So everything is personalized. So, for example, we have this whole COVID thing going on now, and besides that, people have stuff going on anytime, and we'll continue to have different things going on. And one thing about the COVID is that we're not actually treating COVID, we're treating the signs and symptoms. So, some of the things that I've seen have been a lot of upper respiratory and head stuff. So, some folks may have headaches, may have body aches, may have nasal congestion or loss of smell, loss of taste, loss of appetite, a dry cough, where they're not able to get rid of phlegm. Some folks, COVID actually even affects the digestive system. So people have had, again, the loss of appetite or loose stools and other digestive things going on in their system. It's interesting, as the weather has gotten a little bit better and warmer, I've seen less folks with the kind of respiratory sort of stuff in terms of the nose and in terms of nasal stuff and their lungs, and seeing more digestive things. And so we know that this has affected a lot of people that were almost already susceptible to it because they had underlying conditions going on. And so when we're treating with the signs and the symptoms. So there may be some herbs in there that help to open up the nasal passage, other herbs that help with decreasing the headache, other herbs that stop cough, even though it's a dry cough, other herbs that help to transform phlegm, other herbs that moisten the lungs for the dryness, and even herbs in there for the digestive system to help to strengthen the digestive system so that it regulates. So I definitely recommend that everyone is taking herbs on a continual basis. I mean, we season our foods with herbs all the time, but you want to look at herbs according to their signs and symptoms, and even with deeper understanding, looking at the root cause, what's going on with someone from like a physical constitutional level, so that you are able to treat each person as an individual. So again, I'm Dr. Bishara Wilson. Also want to mention my wife, Dr. Danette Bean. She's also a doctor of acupuncture and Chinese medicine. She specializes in women's health. She's also the best best-selling author of A Taste of Our Own Medicine. So for all of your needs, whether you're talking about internal and external, we can help you out with that. And give us a call. And hopefully this video just gave you a little bit more of insight on herbs and some things that you can use if you help your own family out with herbs, or even if you're an herbalist, to be able to treat people effectively. And please incorporate herbs into your diet so that it is a food and is no longer the forgotten food. Thank you.